Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to embed a PowerPoint presentation into your Weebly site. This is a fantastic way to showcase presentations directly on your website, whether you're sharing educational content, business proposals, or portfolio work, without requiring visitors to download any files. First, open your browser and navigate to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log into your Weebly account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your homepage where you can manage all your websites. Look at the left menu and you'll see the website option. Click on it, and from the options that appear underneath, click Edit Site. This takes you to your website management area. Now you'll see a list of your websites. Choose the one where you want to embed your PowerPoint presentation. Once you've selected it, look at the right side of the screen and click the Edit button. This opens up the Weebly editor where you can make changes to your site's content and layout. Before we proceed further, there's one important thing to mention. Make sure you already have the embedded code for your PowerPoint ready. This code is what allows the presentation to display on your site. If you have it prepared, we can continue with the next steps. Once you're in the editor, check the tab menu at the top and make sure you're on the Build tab. This is where you'll find all the elements you can add to your pages. On the left side panel, you'll see various elements available for your site. Look for the one labeled Embed Code. This element is crucial because it allows you to insert custom HTML code into your page. If you can't immediately find the embed code element, don't worry. Simply click on Show All Elements at the bottom of the element panel. This expands the list and displays all available options, making it easier to locate what you need. Once you've found the embed code element, just drag it onto your website where you want the PowerPoint to appear. You can position it anywhere on the page that fits your design. After dropping it in place, click on the element and you'll see an option to edit custom HTML. Click on that, and a text box will open up. This is where you'll paste your embedded code for your PowerPoint presentation. And that's it. You've successfully embedded your PowerPoint presentation into your Weebly site, allowing visitors to view your content directly on the page. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.